Okay, so once you have your camera set and all your settings good and cleared for your finish line through finish links, you're gonna load your meat. So here's the icon up here, run meat local. I'm gonna open that, and I actually already have one open. So I'm gonna get this, and it's gonna ask me to select a meat. Now I don't have the newest meat loaded, so I'm going to click view meats older than 30. And again, as long as you have this on athletic.net and you have it that you're gonna run it through run meat, then when you click this, it should pop up. So I'm gonna use the Linden and Nooksack Valley at Woolly Meat. You're gonna select start list folders. And then you need to find it. I've got my desktop. Here's the folder, Linden Nooksack. Now I've already run this meat, so there's files in it, but we'll click that anyway. Select. Then it's got start lists up there, and then for results, we want to use the same one. Go desktop, Linden Nooksack. Select. So the start list and everything will fall in there. Now I'm going to hit start, and everything starts going. So it starts running on its own. If you see there at the bottom, it says warning, results folder is already existing, and that's fine. The meat's already been run. So I want to leave this open while I'm timing the meat. So then I'm going to go back into finish links. And what I'm going to do is go into some menu items to help load things up. So I'm going to go to File, and then Options. And when I'm on Options, I'm going to go to Database. Now from Database, you can browse where you want your input and output. So input is where it's pulling files from, output is where it's sending it to. We already said that I go onto my desktop and do Linden Nooksack. So those have already been selected, which is good. If not, then I would just change it. So you'd hit browse, you'd have to locate it on this PC, desktop. Here's a couple other ones, Skagit Showdown, that's not the one we want. So we want Linden Nooksack, we hit okay, and then it should load. So then we hit okay. I'm gonna go back into that file, options, database. So there's some other things that need to be clicked in this. You can see it on the sheet that I send you. But essentially, if you have these two things done, image, you don't really need to mess with. Now events, this one's different. This one says something else, so I'm gonna browse, and I'm gonna go back to make sure that that's the Linden Nooksack. So everything's good. So I would just go through all those tabs and make sure you're good to go. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to File up top, and to load the meat, I'm gonna go to Event. And then I can load schedule, because I've already told it where to load from. And now in the drop-down menu, I should be able to see all the events. I'm gonna hit OK. And boom, it pops up Linden in lane 1, Woolly in 2, Linden in 3, Nooksack in 4, Linden in 5. So now it's armed and ready to go, and I'm ready to time.